Hi, welcome to Shinelite. Today we will introduce you our plastic switch Legend range. Our Legend range is frameless super big button design, and the plate is made of acrylic material. The front, this is the night light. The side, for the plate of switch socket. Multicolors are available for you. White color, gold color, silver color. We also can make any colors based on your requirements. The acrylic plate makes switch socket looks very beautiful and modern. We also use good PC material for plate. It makes it flexible, anti-fire and durable. The middle plate is painting iron plate. It makes the whole structure stronger. The base is also made of good PC material, fireproof and longer life. Now, let's show you the inside material. As you can see, all the inside material are copper material, and for the button, it is silver contact. For the socket, it is red copper. It makes the socket more durable and longer life. And here is safety door, baby protection. Our switch life is 40,000 times. Our socket life is 5,000 times. We have CE, CB certificate for this range, and we provide you 15 years warranty. We believe you will like it. Thanks for your watching.